When you come to the Captions dashboard, on this project, you will see there are 3 options. There's AI creators, AI shorts, and AI edits. And you can try out any of them. I'm going to show you one of them. I'm going to use AI creators to generate a talking video for my Facebook ad. So these are my experiment. I have tried it several times to get it to the way I want. Finally, I get it. So I'm going to click this and I'm going to choose AI ads. If you have a product link, you can go ahead to use this. Just copy and paste that link. And Caption AI will go to that link to grab all the information from that page to generate a video for you. I'm going to use the manual mode because I have my script ready and I have my images and clips already. So I just wanted to know when I throw all this, my script and clips, how it will perform. This is like a dream come true. I'm excited to see how AI will come out with all the information I throw at it. This is something I wanted. An AI can help me to generate a video from my own content. I've been looking for this for so long and I'm so happy Captions AI finally can do this because it just takes too much time to arrange the images and clips and the sequels and the effects and transitions. It just consumes so much my time and energy. I'm so happy Captions AI can do it for me. So I'm going to show you the process of doing this. I'm going to create manually. Here I can just give a product name, whatever. I'm going to just put photo shoot. I run a portrait studio, so I'm going to use this video to generate more email subscribers. And I'm going to generate this and put it on Facebook ads. So I already have my script. I'm going to put it over here. And I'm going to drop some images and clips here. It will take a while to upload and I will come back when it's all ready. When it's all ready, I can go ahead to click on select your script. Here are selection of AI scripts. You can have a look at them. And if you have put something in the description, it will come out with some AI script for you. And I'm going to use a custom because I have written them already. This is edit style. And you can see there are different creators. They will speak your script for you. And just pick one of them. There are so many. I haven't got to the bottom yet. So I'm just going to pick one I feel the closest. I think it's just over here. I'm just going to pick Olivia and style of the caption in the video. And you can also scroll down. There are many different type of caption style you can choose. I'm just going to choose the simplest, the first one. So I'm going to click on generate ads. Super exciting, isn't it? And here you will see this generating your project. This will take a while. You can go ahead to make a coffee, something like that, and come back for it. I will show you when it's ready. It took about 10-15 minutes to create this project and it's ready. And the AI has created 5 ads for me. So let's check out what they look like. So they will load and give me different options how AI use my content to generate a video. So you can go through each and every one. Just see from the cover that each and every one is different. What I'm going to do is just go through them and pick a few ones that I like, and then I will upload them to my Facebook ads. It's just as easy as that. You can see. See. Different, all different. You can just go ahead here to click here to export the video. It's just as easy as that. And it's super convenient and powerful. But I did find some bugs. Sometimes I wasn't able to download the videos. And there were times that I generate a project, but it was stopped in the middle and I have to generate again. Apart from those bugs, these work just great. So I will highly recommend you to try Caption AI to save time and energy to create ads, because we don't know which one will perform the best. So most probably I will quite a few and test out which one perform the best. You can also click here to edit the video if you want to. For example, you can add images or you can add clips. You can just click on anywhere. You can just move wherever you want and drop an image on top of it. Or if you want to add clips and change the sound or music or voice, you can also do that. You can choose the visibility of the captions. You can turn it off if you want. Okay, and you can choose different style. Just back to where we created. If you don't like it, if you don't like what you chose, you can also change here. And automatic tools, you can have denoise and eye contact. Okay, and aspect ratio you can change too. And once you're ready, you just go to export. Are you going to try out to let AI generate your video content? Let me know in the comment. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, because this would really help me to grow my channel. It's Lydia Amanda. I will talk to you in the next video.